Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure the app is current and you're logged into the Target account. This prevents unexpected UI differences. Once done, navigate directly to the Instagram settings menu and tap Privacy to find sleep mode or the notifications section. Instagram sometimes relocates it. You need a stable connection and the exact account visible. Now select sleep mode. You're beginning the removal process, not just toggling related settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed. Once you reach sleep mode controls, you'll see toggles for scheduled times and automatic activation. Turn those off to prevent re-entry. Make sure to remove any saved schedule values like sleep start and end times, and verify linked calendars or well-being apps aren't set to trigger sleep mode. You should also inspect notification filters and message silencing settings, because they can mimic sleep mode behavior. Keep changes saved and watch for confirmation messages to ensure the feature is truly disabled. Finish by force closing Instagram and reopening it so the app reloads settings. This often activates the change immediately. If sleep mode persists, clear the app cache or reinstall Instagram to remove stale config files and then reapply the disable steps. If problems continue, log into your account on another device or the web to confirm whether the setting is account level or device level. Key troubleshooting tip: if reactivation happens, inspect connected apps and calendar integrations. Disabling those usually stops unwanted sleep mode triggers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.